finishes. That left straight and also the punches to the body. And here we go on. Mohammed's down. It was the left hand thrown at Mohammed 3 times in a row. And Mohammed's down for a second time. One more time. And that...
Matapos ang 5 sunod-sunod na panalo at 3 pa dito ay via TKO, ay muling napalaban si kabayan na tubong Negros Occidental na si Joffer Montano alias Il Gwapito sa bansang Thailand para dipinsaan ang hawak-hawak nitong titulo, ang WBO Oriental Welterweight title. May record itong si alias Il Gwapito na 15 wins, 5 losses, 2 tabla, 13 via knockout at may edad na 27. Habang ang kalaban naman niya ay nagmula pa sa bansang Pakistan. Ito ay si Muhammad Bilal na may record na 11 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw, 9 via knockout at 27 anyos. Kung titignan mo ang kartada ng dalawang boksingero, ay mapapansing parehas sila na mataas ang knockout percentage o sa madaling sabi ay parehong may pamatay na mga suntok. Kaya naman, inaasahan agad ng karamihan na isang matinding palitan ng mga kamao talaga ang makikita at talagang may babagsak sa dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Ginanap ang nasabing laban noong June 29 lang at ginawa ito sa Space Plus, Bangkok, Thailand. 10 rounds para sa titulong WBO Oriental Welterweight title na hawak-hawak ng defending champion na Pinoy. Halina't ating panoorin kung paano pinaluhod at pinasuko ng Pinoy na si Joffer Montano alias Il Gwapito itong kalabang Pakistani na si Muhammad Bilal.
Muhammad Bilal from Pakistan. So significant height advantage for Joffer as well. Southpaw versus a gym in Dubai, and third fight to compete for them. Intentional though. So this is what I was trying to say. Right hand to the body there from, if it's who I'm thinking of, very accurate with his straight. Mohammad Bilal trying to get on the inside and Joffer land. And again going to the good right. Joffer snubbing it off though and still pushing forward. Right overhand, and that's not going to look good. Good dig, Joffer. And again, Pinoy fighter. 1-2 lands down the middle there from Joffer. Bilal for firing back with his own right. Lost his balance a few times. Left strikes, punches. Oh. Left hook connects for Mohammad. Right hook to the body of Joffer. Whoa, big miss there from Joffer. Once dig to the body there. Right, left hand down the middle. Here for round 2, we have 8 rounds potentially. Whoa! Looks like they both landed with troubles. He ate a huge left hand which put him off balance and landing to the head as well. Good right hook to the body from Joffer. Looks like that hurt Mohammad. He hooks to the body there from Joffer. Long left hook as well to the seconds to go now, and that's it for round 2. And Mohammad Bilal, the challenge for Joffer. Good. Left hand to the... Maybe we'll be able to see that on the replay. This afternoon, he's trying to stay on his feet. Good left to the body there for Joffer. Guard of Mohammad. Oh, good right hook there. Being on the pressure on Mohammad with the left hook to the head as well. Joffer still walking forward, looking to kill. Accurate left hand connects there twice in a row. And he lands with the left hand as well. And 10 seconds to go on the clock. He's finding his rhythm and groove in that round, and that's it for round 3. The more accurate fighter of the two, and 1 draw. You want to adopt against a southpaw fighter. You want to be from their left straight, their power side, and create angles for your right straight. Now this is good from Mohammad. Good right hands connecting 2 in a row almost. Okay, fight still going to continue. Such often missing with the 1-2 to the head, but landing with the straight left to the... Just over the halfway mark now. Left straight connects there for Joffa. And again from Joffa connecting and straight down the middle twice. Right hand connects though for Mohammed. Sort of woken up a little bit after getting dominant round though for me from Joffa, who's still pushing the pace, and that's going to do it for round. I think Mohammed by Joffa out-muscled as well. Good hand from Mohammed, but coming forward now. Change of tactics from the Pakistani. Left two. Really slowing down. Good evasion here with the Filipino fighter as well. It's been a very low output round. Left hand to the body there, and look, it's a shame really. We still such a good start from Mohammed and just slowed right down. Right in the middle, but Joffa with a good flurry and connected with the left hand, big right hook as well, and that's going to do it for. See if we got something a little bit different. It's a halfway mark for this 10 round. Whoa, big left hook there from Mohammed. 5 started. 1-2 down the middle from Joffa. Right hook there from... Good hooks. Joffa landing again with the left hand. Mohammed. Bit of a height advantage. Throw as many shots to the body as he can against Joffa. Like that left straight, and also the punches to the body. And here we go on! Mohammed's down. It was the left hand from Joffa, and Mohammed is taking a knee. Okay, looks like the fight's going to continue. First knockdown in this round, and Joffa going in for the kill. Left hand thrown at Mohammed 3 times in a row, and Mohammed's down for a second time. I think he is, and no he's not. So Joffa is...
Panalo ang Pinoy via 6th round TKO at tagumpay na nadipinsaan ang titulo.